everyone, today I am going to share some important tips for those who are applied for Finland and want to apply for Finland. I received some messages about packing. This packing process is not much, but I will explain to you. First of all, I know you all are worried about the VFS process. That's so simple process, not a complicated process. So let's talk about the VFS process. Yes, about my VFS, that's my experience. They can ask some different questions for you. First of all, they ask to me why I am moving to Finland. Yes, of course, for study purpose, I explain very clearly and in short form. I want to study and I want to enhance my knowledge. That's why I want to move in Finland. Then they want to know about my study and they want to know about my course. So yes, of course, my course is ICT software engineering diploma course, and my university is Metropolia University of Applied Science in Karaportti to Karamalmi campus. I explained very well, and one thing I need to share with you, that's a tip for you. When you are in interview, please stay calm, don't be nervous, stay calm and answer the question very confidently, because basically they want to know we can survive in Finland or not, we can't survive in Finland, because when we are confident, we answered in confident way, they guess we can survive in other country. And about my study questions, they want to know about my fund sources. My fund sources is very clear. My whole funds comes from my parents-in-law. That's why I explained clearly. But they want to know about the my fees process. How I paid my fees. I paid my fees from my mother-in-law's account. They want to know particular date when I paid my fees. So I tell them. In this date I paid my fees from my mother-in-law's account, and they asked to me why your mother-in-law paid in your fees and from what the source of funds in her account. So I explained normally she has the funds, and she has the funds from my father-in-law. So they said okay. So I think so VFS process is not more complicated, it's normal talk like about we are regularly for with our colleagues we are talking, that's normal, need to stay calm. And I advise personally to you, when you go for VFS, you need to well dressed. Almost here weather 8 to 9 months is cold, so need to pick some warm clothes and thermals. About grocery, you can carry some dry foods, packed foods for your 1 or 2 days, and after that you can buy from grocery stores. About crockery, yes, all crockeries are here, but you need to pick your pressure cooker, because pressure cooker is costly here if you want to come Finland. Enroll for diploma, and that's all in this video. We will meet in next video.